Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to file payroll tax forms using Wave. If you're in a supported state or province, Wave can automatically file your payroll tax forms. Here's how you can get that done. Step 1, confirm your business information. First, you're going to go to settings in the Wave app and tax profile, and then make sure that your EIN or BN is entered. You also want to make sure that your state or provincial registration is complete. Likewise, you've authorized Wave to act as a reporting agent. Step 2, enable automatic tax filing. If you're eligible, you're going to see an option to enable automatic tax payments and filings. Step 3, Wave files automatically once enabled. Once you've enabled this option, Wave will calculate and withhold taxes. It's also going to file federal and state returns. That's the Form 941, the Form 940s, the W-2s in the US, or the CRA remittance in Canada. Deposits withheld taxes to government agencies. Wave is also going to do that automatically. Step 4, access filed forms. So to access filed forms, all you got to do is go to Payroll, and under Payroll you find tax filings. Here you're going to see a list of filed forms, submission dates, and confirmation numbers. You can download copies of any filed forms as a PDF. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.